Using OFX for money transfers is simple and effective. Follow these steps. Create and verify your account. Visit the OFX website or download the app. Sign up for an account by providing your personal and contact details. You may need to verify your identity with documents such as a passport or utility bill. Log in and start the transfer. Once verified, log into your account. Click on Make a Transfer or similar options to initiate the process. Enter transfer details. Specify the currency you're converting from and to, as well as the amount. Provide the recipient's information, including their name, bank details, and contact information. Review exchange rate and fees. OFX provides competitive exchange rates with transparency. Review the rate and confirm the transfer details. Send funds to OFX. Use your bank account to transfer the amount to OFX as instructed. Track your transfer. OFX notifies you via email or app updates as your transfer progresses. You can also track it in your account dashboard. Recipient receives money. Once processed, the recipient receives the funds in their local currency, typically within 1 to 2 business days.